Mami, sagutin mo na. Hello?
Hello,
Wala naman dito.
Oo, wala. Kung gano'n.
Baka nandiyan.
Iniwan niya.
Baka nandiyan sa bag.
Wala eh. Kaya mo na eh. Wala dyan. Nakita naman niya.
Oh, Faith, you saw it's not here, okay? Maybe you left it in the car.
No.
Did you brought it here last night?
I want it.
Maybe, Mommy, did you not put it on the bag, Ma'am?
Bag? Wala,
Or-
wala sa bag. Sa mga drawer, wala.
Wala, chinek na namin dito sa mga
Sige,
drawer.
okay na. Baka nasa sakyan lang.
Oh, sige, let's go. Maybe we'll check it in the car, okay? If it's not there, we're just gonna buy you another one, okay? Oh, let's go. Jira, can I borrow the key?
Diyan na naman, hindi na naman napupuntahan.
Tara na. Found it? Are you happy now? Umiiyak na siya.
Dude, guess what?
Ay, buksan natin ito. Ready na kaya sila?
Hey, I saw somebody have a water squishy.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, magandang umaga ulit sa inyong lahat. Ayan, isang umagang kay ganda. So yun guys, fresh na ulit. Nakapagpahinga na ng magdamag. Nakaligo na rin, nakabihis na rin ng mga bata, kami lahat. So maghahanap lang kami ng isang cherry farm dito sa Vernon, BC para maka-experience ng mga bata in cherry picking. At after nun, siguro didiretso na kami sa Vancouver. It's another mga almost 5 hours drive pa siguro yon. So, yun. Tignan natin kung ano pa ang pwede namin gawin dito habang nandito kami. And we'll see you guys. Let's go! Press.
Phone.
Where is it? You're gonna go in. Go ahead.
Jump. No. Mom.
Press M, Faith. Yes, please. Good job. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, and you?
Not too bad.
325?
Yes.
Perfect. All done?
All good. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Pero alike atak man. Sige. Sabi daw manya.
Or karintana kaya mangan.
Karintana mangan.
Ay ba't po tata namin magtimuto? Dahil ano na?
Lunch naman na ako.
We're in Tim Hortons. Oh wait, what? Oh, wait, we're supposed to go that way, guys. We're gonna walk around. The glaze, sour cream glaze, raisin bran, vanilla dip, cappuccino, assassino. Oh, you might just go into March. Hey, you're lava. See you in the cherry farm. When you're supposed to get there. Whoa. Ty's doing. Give him a sec. I can't do like the thing, like the diva thing.
Ayun lang yata. Ay, mamangan nila eh.
Picking lang.
Alright, dito na kami sa cherry farm. Mukhang ang dami nilang puno ng cherry. Nakita niyo ba, no? At may kabayo pa sila dito. Let's go pick cherries, guys.
No.
I don't know.
Can I climb for you?
Good.
Fresh. I'm good.
I don't think so.
Only the fresh
Oh, I
ones.
have bee in beside there.
What, you have a what? It's kind of milk.
They're not Tita. Yeah, here's the cherries.
I'll be with Tita. She's safe. She's safe. I'll go with the safest. Daddy, can we keep these? Daddy, can we keep these? Can't poop around. Can't. Say poop.
Where?
There's a park there.
These are cherries.
Quiet. Please be quiet. Gee, what's your fault? Your fault? Dad, can we go to the park here? Double swing.
Come. Zira, come.
What's a double swing? It's somebody's house.
Yeah, it's somebody's house.
Ah. Tita, good at climbing. No, it's a fighter jet. That's flower. No, there's
We are
not.
now here at the cherry farm. Andito na kami sa
I hate the
farm.
cherry farm.
Why?
Because there's
Beautiful.
there's
Look at the
bees.
place
I
here.
like the
It's
view.
beautiful. I don't know how many trees of cherries meron sila dito,
I'm gonna
pero
fire.
ang ganda. Ang lawak ng lupain nila. It's by the lake pa ang view nila. Ang ganda, oh. Look.
There's a bee behind you guys. No, there's not. It's even hot. Oh, you done? You done? Hello? I'm dying.
Zira, where are you going? I told you to stay in the shade.
Daddy, oh, shoot. I'm gonna scream. I wanna go to the hammock.
Hey, that's not ours even. That's the owner.
Oh, it's hot.
It's not, see? There's some wind go.
Oh, yes.
Nagrereklamo na sila. Mainit.
Shower.
Sobrang init daw dito.
I can easily get hot.
More when you went home to the Philippines. It's more hotter there.
Yes, but it did get hotter here.
More hotter here. Come on, bro.
I want to go back home.
Go back home.
It's more colder.
Mahirap palang punuin yung bucket kasi isa-isa mong bipitasin. Pero dapat, yung mga punggol yung kinukuha nyo para
Punggol nga. Tapos sinatanggal namin yung...
lahati pa lang yung bucket. Pero marami na. Pwede na yan. Yan, pwede na yan. Mainit nga lang talaga.
I'm already sweating. Yeah, the cherries are
sweating?
gonna burst and they're gonna turn into
It
water.
feels like parang nasa Pilipinas ka rin pero ibang humid do.
The pool.
Papawis ka pero di mo
Pool.
nagkit.
We can cool.
Oh.
You can cool down.
Jiro,
I'm just
reklamo
gonna
ng
stay there
reklamo.
for 10 hours. I don't care. I don't care about lunch. I'm just gonna stay there for an entire week. I'm gonna stay there for 100 times.
Guess, how many kilos?
Let me guess. I think 100. Maybe like, if us, maybe like 100. So yeah, 100. 150 or 60.
What? That's
50,
too much.
40.
It's either 1 kilo to 2 kilos. Yeah, they thought it's just easy to fill up the bucket. It's gonna take a while.
2 weeks ago, easy. 5 minutes.
Let's
Oh.
see.
Right.
Not busy today, eh?
Wait, who's better?
Maybe weekend,
Jesus
eh?
or
Oh, it's the last?
devil?
Oh, I see.
Of course.
So
it's
what's gonna happen?
Jesus,
I'm
right?
just gonna be
Who's better,
Ways?
Jesus
Yeah?
or Talia?
feed for the animals?
Pick both.
Okay.
Who's better? Ew, it's shaking. The baby sees his butt.
Bye-bye! So yan, tapos na kami mag-cherry picking. Oras na para maglakbay na naman ng almost about 5 hours para makarating kami sa aming destinasyon. Okay, let's go guys! Tara! Yan guys, kami nagbabalik. So, andito kami ngayon sa mga maraming merit. Maraming merit dito. So, we're here in Merit. So, dito kami nagkarga ng gasolina kasi dire-diretso na kami papuntang Vancouver after nito. So, 2 more hours and 45 minutes. Okay guys, let's go!
You're going too fast. Stinky. It's taking over. I'm videoing you. Papa. White one's taking over. Say bye to the white one. More.
Let's go! Wow! Miriam. Ayan guys! So, na kami nagbabalik after almost 5 hours. Andito na kami sa Surrey, British Columbia. So, hanapin na lang namin yung bahay ni Tito Ray. At naghihintay na sila, nagluto na siya ng isang kamatis.
I'm so excited to see you again after a few years. And then I finally see you.
Third bahay tang libantanan din. Eh, may labantanan siya. Makaliliya pala Baping lugar mo, Bap? Bumibalik na kami kay Alberta.
Kaya pag day off na bab, nagpag. Ay, selo na niya bab. Dati dyan. Yan.
Ay ni Bap,
Lingkod kami one.
ikit ko na yung kayo, Bap. So, ayan po si Tito Bap Bap. We made it, guys! Thank you, Lord!